So this video is reviewing the MonoSpot test. So they come in little packages that look like this. So to do this test, you'll need a MonoSpot kit. You'll need the little bottle of buffer along with a pipette. And then you'll need your lancet to do your finger stick with a needle. You should also have your sharps container handy for after you're done. So the first thing we need to do is have the patient wash their hands. So our patient has already washed their hands. So the next thing we're going to do is take their hand and kind of massage the finger and the hand to try to get some blood flow going. We can have them make a fist and let go several times. Then we're going to load our lancet. So we twist the end off, take the end off of our needle, place it inside the holder, so it'll look like this. Then we put the cap back on, being cautious not to stick yourself. For this one, you need quite a bit of blood, so we are going to set the lancet to 5, which is the deepest setting. So you may want to warn your patient about that. So go ahead and make some fists again. So to do this part, you just simply pull up on the bottom of the lancet, and then you're going to place it firmly against your patient's finger and press the blue button. Okay. Then you want your patient to squish their finger, and we're trying to get as much blood as we can out of that nice little finger prick. Okay, so squeezing, squeezing. Okay, hold that up right for me, try and keep it going. Then we're gonna open our MonoSpot kit while they're doing that. So you take your kit out, and it looks like this, okay? So when you take it out, there are, oh no. There's a small sample window at the bottom that you're going to place your droplets on. Okay, so what we're going to do is get some blood in our pipette. So you squeeze the end, place it in the blood. Try not to get air bubbles if you can avoid it. Keep squeezing. I don't think we're going to get enough blood. How much blood do you need for this? Quite a bit. Okay, getting as much as you can. Then you're going to apply your drops of blood to the sample window. Okay. And then after that, you're going to apply 1 drop of the buffer. Hold this.
Okay.
So we apply 1 drop of buffer to the window, and then you want to set it down and make sure that it stays flat for at least 5 minutes. So again, you should have a red spot on your sample window. We'll lay it down, make sure that it stays flat, and then we're looking for 2 red lines. So if the person is positive for mono, they'll have a red line in the C and the S window, and it doesn't matter how faint they are. If they just have a line in the C section of the window, means that they are negative for mono. So again, we'll read this at 5 minutes, so we just wait until then.